Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today I'm going to be unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the Grantham up and down wall light. In the box we simply have the instructions, some screws and the light itself. Now the light is very easy to install. It's a matter of installing the screws into whatever wall you would like these on and then slotting the light in. As you can see, it's a matter of pressing the on button. Make sure you have charged the light for 12 to 24 hours and then your light should turn on. Now it's important to note that the solar panel on the top of this light has a dusk sensor, so it will not turn on unless the light dips below a certain level. This bright aluminium lamp gives off 60 lumens. If you're looking for something brighter, we have the same lamp in 120 lumens as a motion light, so it will turn on whenever the sensor is activated. This is the motion version. Now it's able to release a brighter light because it all releases it in bursts, meaning that it can build up all that energy and just release it as and when the motion sensor is activated. If you want a steady light, however, the regular Grantham up and down is the way to go. So this light is 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters and the back is 10.5 by 7.5. So these LED bulbs generally last 10 years or more. It has a premium grade up and down finish. It includes a built-in solar panel and it's wireless, meaning that you don't need to faff with mains cables. This light turns on automatically at night and turns off in the morning. And it includes an optional power saving mode for the winter for those extended run times. It comes with a year's guarantee, it's super easy to install, and after purchase it's not going to cost you a penny in electric bills. So, if you like our Grantham up and down wall light, just this self-contained unit, and you have any additional questions regarding this product, please don't hesitate to drop them in the comments down below and we will answer them for you. Thank you very much for watching and we will see you on the next one.